DoorLoop definitely saves us considerable amount of hours every single month. I'm Mitch. I'm the owner of City Limit Studios. We're a commercial building that has creative studios in Nashville, Tennessee. We have 14 individual suites, which different types of creative people rent. One of the problems we had before using the software is this building was extremely unorganized. You got an email over here and a text over here, and unanswered maintenance request here, and it was just chaotic. I came across DoorLoop's YouTube, and they had a lot of helpful videos, and so I ended up watching those right before we took over the building. My favorite DoorLoop feature is definitely the autopay. I love the fact that my tenants can just set it and forget it. DoorLoop definitely saves us considerable amount of hours every single month, especially when the first of the month rolls around and we have rent to collect. It helps our tenants know exactly what's due. I actually asked one of my tenants today about what his experience was like, and he's like, I set up autopay and my agreements are in there and I haven't thought about it again. I started this business because I wanted to create a creative community, making cool things from music videos to albums. I just wanted to see this place thrive. And it's been super cool that DoorLoop has helped us accomplish that. And now that it's in place, it's something that I don't think about. And the rent every single month is taken care of, and all the communications are taken care of. And then we can focus on just making cool stuff here with the community that's chosen to rent studios here.